Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live on the Gist today. Ex-beauty queen and embattled wife of politician Femi Fani-Kayode FFK calls on the public for help as she seeks to get access to her children. Let's check out the story.
I don't intend to come crying every day because those who know me know I'm not a crybaby. But I guess I haven't been myself. Getting a picture of my son in school with a scar on his face, and I have no explanation, and I don't even know what was wrong with him. I don't know how he got injured. I have no idea what is wrong with him. All of this is not for who was wrong and who was right, but for my children. There's a court order that I should see my children, and that both lawyers should make an arrangement for my children to spend some time with me this Christmas. Basically, for me to assess him, because I put in those pictures and videos of what happened to my son Liam. Well, apparently his lawyer wants to go on an appeal for me not to have the opportunity to see my kids this period. Now the thoughts of my children with injuries and other things that I might not know drives me sick every second I think about it. This is not a call for who's right or who's wrong or what happened in the previous relationship. All of that is over. I'm just appealing to mothers, to women, to every good person who has a conscience to please help me. I'm tired, really, really tired. It's getting depressing. Why do I have to fight this much just to see my kids and to make sure they are okay? If there is a justice system in this country, I still believe there's a justice system, and I trust that in due time things will happen well, but it's taking forever. I've been in court since March. He keeps finding a way to stall things. He went on appeal for service. That stalled that very custody proceeding. And then I had to file another process, withdrawing the first process. Please, I just want to see my children. And all I am interested in right now is more voice to join to my voice. It's not a crime. I just want to see my children. Okay, they should present them somewhere so I can physically assess them and be at rest that my kids are fine. That's all I'm asking for. Let me see my kids at least. It's over a year. I have trying to behave myself, trying to package myself. No mother will keep packaging herself. All I'm asking for is to see my kids. That's all.